This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll start the demo. Okay, our course name is
Okay,
that.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, our course name is the D365 FNO. Any prior experience or prior no what is that Dynamics 365? This one. Any idea before coming to the demo? Have you searched in the internet, or is your friend or your brother or any relative is working in this technology? Anyone knows about this one? Hello. I have no experience. No one have that prior experience, right? Yeah, fine, no problem. First of all, what is the Dynamics 365 F&O? Say Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Actually, it is a ERP product. There is a difference if that development technology and ERP. ERP means it's already available, the ready to eat, the fruit is ready to eat. But we need that some customizations. Let's say example, suppose if you bought that any mobile phone or any laptop or any electronic gadget, we can apply that our own theme. These are the things we can customize, right? Then only we can able to use that product and what we are going to be like. The same way that ERP product also, the base product it came from that Microsoft, then we can customize this product as per that customer requirement. So here we are doing the customization part. Okay, for customization, we need a technical consultants. In D365, there is a two types of consultants is there. One is that function consultant and the second one is the technical consultant. Function consultant, they should know about that the base product, and the technical consultant based on that FDD function design document, they are going to be customize the product, the coding language called H++. Okay, here we are using that coding language H++. It is derived from that C++ and C sharp. Okay, the base requirements is required for this one OOPS programming, like classes, abstract, interface, inheritance. Okay, these are the things overloading or overriding. If you are familiar with these OOPS, basic OOPS you should know, then you can easily work with that H++. I am understanding everyone knows about this OOPS programming knowledge. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyone don't know about this OOPS programming?
खुशरा खुशरा पलक भैया
Sir, just basics all.
Yeah, basics. Yeah, basics you should know. Then fine. But anyway, these OOPS programming also will cover in our syllabus. But before, if you know, then you can better understanding is there. That is the purpose I'm asking. No issues. If we don't know, okay, please try to understand this OOPS programming from today onwards. Anyway, once that classes will start, and it will take that 5 to 6 classes to enter into the OOPS programming. In the meantime, you can just brush up. It takes hardly 3 hours, guys. Okay, if you want to learn from your own side, it's a hardly 3 hours to understand this one. Okay, for practicing, it takes more time. That is about that our H++ programming. And will suppose if your client is brought this product, but what is the use of this client? Why we are going with that ERP product? Why customer is choosing that ERP product only? why can't he go for that development from the scratch? Let's this one understand. If your customer having that multiple types of businesses, like he have that jewelry business, okay, and supermarket, shopping complex, okay, let's say some factory, like this. So many businesses is there for your client, but to handle all these softwares in that development technologies, it is a very hard to implement. But if it comes under that ERP product, it's a very easy, because that is the purpose the ERP is developed. So in the ERP side, we can maintain that company wise accounts, and we can see that profits and loss using that individual company, and combining the all the companies as well. Let's example, you can take that your factory, okay, you can take to that your factory, customer factory, but here it is having that multiple departments is there. As of my knowledge, okay, what are the departments? Just understand: HR department, okay, admin department, finance department, then computers department, okay, and inventory, RS workers. Like this, so many departments is there. Suppose vendors also is required, and customers also is required, and retailers also is there. Okay, like this, one factor having that these are the very minimal thing as we should know. Okay, but these are the, if we go with that admin, again it comes under that what are the admin activities doing, HR activities what it doing, and the computers department what they are doing. Everything, it's a entirely different wings they are maintaining. But if you go with that any ERP product, Dynamics 365, it's already available. So no need to go for that implementation. It is already available. So we need to use this product from first day onwards. But what about the customization? Suppose the customer needs the some extra functionality, or else block that existing functionality. So first day onwards he is ready to use, and then coming months, maybe 1 or 2 months, we are going to be customize the product. It should satisfy 100% with that customer requirement. These are the thing exactly we are doing, guys. Okay, here the technical consultant, function consultant is the two consultants is there. First function consultants, they came to the picture to understand the business, and some multiple times they had a meetings with the client, they can get the requirement, then they can compare with the standard product, they can prepare the documents called FDD, functional design documents. Then the technical people will came to the picture, they can develop that or else customize the product. This is the exactly real time what we are doing. Okay, any questions guys up to here?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah,
Yeah, we should must know about OOPS programming, sir. That means in Java or C++, sir.
no, oops means it's that any language, Java or C Sharp, C++. Oops means it's a just oops programming. But if you know the oops concepts, you can easily understand the Java, C Sharp, because of same. Okay,
Sir, that
concept
means
is same.
yeah, that means in C++ also OOPS is there. That's
Yeah,
why I'm
C++,
asking. So
yeah, C++ also is fine, because of the oops is touching from the C++ onwards.
I know only about Java, sir. No
Yeah,
problem,
no
sir.
problem. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any doubts, guys? Okay, fine. If you don't have any questions, fine. This is the product, and I can show to you that front end how it look like. From D365 onwards, it's installed into the cloud mission. Okay, this is the front end. We can call it as a client. Okay, client is interacting with these things here. I will tell this later. Okay, just I'm changing this one. Oh, this is the front end. It look like this one. As I told in that, while once we purchase the product, everything is available. The few modules is available. See, accounts payable. If we go here, we can able to see that vendor information, purchase orders, invoices, like this. So many things is already pre-built functionality is available. Okay, this functionality is already available. Okay, suppose if a customer having that extra functionality, then only we are going to be customize this product. Like this account receivable having that your sales order and customers. Accounts payable having their vendor information, and this one is the customer information is available. Like this, so many modules is the asset management, audit workbench, budgeting. These are that all the modules it's already available. Okay, sometimes we have a requirement to create that one more module also, but this is the base product. I told right, HR also is the human resources, and this will tackle about that your workers or leaves their and payroll also is there. The payroll module will how many days they attended and who are left from the company, who are active employees or workers. Everything is dealing with that your payroll module and processing the salary, like this. Okay, like the already few modules is already available. Okay, then what is our part? This is entirely your client will handle this one, but what is our part as it comes to the technical? Comes to the technical, we are working with that Visual Studio. Is anyone is familiar with that Visual Studio IDE? Hello, is anyone is familiar with the Visual Studio? If not, no worries. We'll teach that that one also Visual Studio. Here we are going to be writing the programming and customize that existing product. Okay, if we go with that, just I'm showing. If you expand the user interface, okay, when you see in the front end, what we are seeing: accounts payable, account receivable, admin. Okay, everything is available here. Okay, we'll come to that this one in the regular classes. And if you have anyone having that some database idea, they can easily understand the tables, views, queries. These are the things. Okay, here we are going to be write that programming and customize the product through using the Visual Studio IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. And come anyone okay, I got that only one person is know about the Visual Studio. Fine, no issues. And here we are writing that H++ code language. Here the data types and data model, code, user interface, everything we can able to interact while coming with that regular classes. And I can show to you the syllabus. Okay, this is the syllabus we are going to be cover into that course curriculum. Okay, actually I have divided into that day 1 and day 2, day 3, but just randomly I have separated that syllabus. But don't think about that in day 2 they are showing this one, day 3 this one, and day 15 this one. No. Okay, sometimes dialogues or day 15 one, it comes to the day 2 as well. Based on that one flow it will go. Just I divided that this one is a 45 hours as a program. Okay, the syllabus I will share with you. Please go through this one syllabus. We can understand, and we are going to be cover all the topics what I mentioned here. Okay, oops concepts also I have included here. See, if no one knows about the oops concepts, but don't worry, I can teach about the oops into this course curriculum. No worries. And coming to that course and schedule, the time schedule is that morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, daily 1 hour class. It's a total 45 hours of course, but sometimes we may extend the course 2 hours also in the Saturdays and Sundays. If you are available with the Sunday also, I'm ready to take the class, no issues. But daily 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, it's all our live classes with practical examples. Okay, and we'll share that hard copy, soft copies. In the soft copies, what it contains, Microsoft is provided that three books for suggesting for the technical people. The three PDF books I can share to you. Apart from that, few of the important PDFs we can purchase from the Amazon also those things. But it is a book cost is a 5,000 or 7,000 rupees is there. Those two books I can share to you. One is the functional, one is that technical. Those books I can give you as a free of cost, including that course. And the main and important thing is that task list. Okay, I can provide this task list. It having that 100 plus tasks is there. If you are able to complete these all tasks, you can easily maintain that 3+ years experience into the Dynamics 365. This is that much very important, this task list. Okay, these things you can easily you can get it into the course curriculum. Okay, that's about that course and timings and how many hours it will take. Okay, any other questions, guys?